Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, what's up? My name is vianney.strick. Thank you so much for being here. As you can see by the title, today I'm going to show you guys all the brand new products from e.l.f. We have a primer, mascara, bronzer, even a lip mask. I love e.l.f. It's super affordable, and there's possible dupes in this video. Obviously, they're very affordable products, but I still want to let you know if they're worth your money. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to join my squad. Let's get into it. Let's get started. I haven't seen many new launches from e.l.f., so I'm actually really so excited to film this video. By the way, I don't think I look very different, but if I look a little different, I did get a little bit of filler on my top lip and some Botox. I actually I've been vlogging, guys. I haven't told y'all yet, but I've been doing some vlogging for not Vlogmas, obviously, or I would have already been posting, but I'm doing Vlogmas episodes, so I've just been filming here and there, and I'll be posting throughout December, so that video should be next. So make sure you guys don't miss that if you are interested. Let's get into it. Like I mentioned, we do have a couple products to try out. My skin is clean, and it has skincare, and that's all we have. So today we're gonna start out with primer. So this is the brand new primer from e.l.f. It is the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, but it is with 4% niacinamide. Now, obviously, a lot of people think, oh, it's probably just the same Power Grip Primer, just with like a different ingredient of niacinamide. So I did go on the website, and I wanted to kind of compare them. First, if you guys don't even know anything about this, let me tell you guys a little bit about this product. So this is gonna be $10. Again, it has 4% niacinamide. It's gonna be a gripping primer, so it's gonna be very sticky, and it's gonna help your makeup last longer. And with the niacinamide, it claims to even and brighten the skin tone. And it is going to be translucent finish, so it doesn't have actual like much tint. The other one is blue, but it doesn't like translate. So the Power Grip Primer on the website has essentially the same description of this one, but instead of niacinamide, it says it's a hyaluronic acid, so it's hydrating. And then on this one, it does say something extra. So it says it gives a dewy, glowy finish. Now, the Power Grip Primer obviously kind of does give you a glowy finish anyways because it is sticky, but this one is the only one that it says that it's going to give a glowy finish. So anyways, just want to let you guys know because I don't know how much of a difference there is other than niacinamide. If you guys haven't seen this primer, oh, why did I just put it on my palm of my hand? But this is what it looks like. I don't know why I did that. It's a gripping primer, so it's gonna be sticky. My favorite way to apply it is actually by tapping it in. Something about rubbing it on, I don't like the feeling, and I also feel like it's not as like even, so I will actually take my time. I do actually really like these primers. I'm not gonna lie, I don't have like a big problem with like my foundation not lasting or anything like that, but if you do, these are actually really good. People swear by them. I do like it though because it does extend the wear of makeup, and what I like about it is that it is hydrating. Obviously, this one has 4% niacinamide. Obviously, niacinamide have just been like a very popular skincare ingredient, and you know, if it really will help hydrate and brighten and even out my skin tone while also extending the wear of my makeup, that is a double thumbs up for me. It does say to kind of just leave it alone for 30 seconds before you apply foundation, but this is what it looks like. Like I mentioned, I am a fan of it. I do like the price, and obviously this is gonna be a dupe for like the Milk Hydro Grip Primer for a fraction of the price. So far it feels the same, so I guess to me, if you're picking between this one or the original one, decide if you want more hydration with a hyaluronic acid in the original one, or if you just want some niacinamide. So I think it just comes down to what skincare product you want. I wonder if you can just mix them and get the best of both worlds. I don't know. By the way, sometimes I get comments about how my foundation like obviously doesn't match my face, and like I feel like I say it in every video, but we're matching the neck, we're matching the tan, because I do wear sunscreen every day, and also I also have fake tan. So just remember guys, we are matching the neck, and even this foundation is probably gonna be too light anyways, but it is what it is. I'm a Latina girl, and my skin just changes so much throughout the year. It is what it is, but I also feel like I don't want to be wasteful and be buying a bunch of products all the time, you know? Alrighty, so this is the foundation blended out. I still think it looks a little lighter than my neck, but I think the next product will help us out with that. But I just want to show you guys the finish. See how it is very nice and dewy and hydrating. It is looking fabulous. I am loving it. I did apply the Rare Beauty foundation and it blended on seamlessly. I do use the shade 280N. So moving on, I'm very excited about this product because I love this whole line, and that is the Putty line. So they actually came out with some Luminous Putty bronzers. I love the regular bronzers. I love the regular blushes. I'm obsessed with the Luminous blushes. They work so well with cream as well as powder. So again, this is the Luminous Putty bronzer. It is going to be $7 and it is described as a unique putty to powder formula infused with a hint of shimmer, highly pigmented creamy color, melts onto the skin for a natural sun-kissed glow, lightweight, buildable, non-greasy wear, and it's actually enriched with argan oil and vitamin E. So as you guys see, I did get 2 shades for the sake of trying it and also just giving you guys another swatch. So here are the shades. I decided from the pictures that Seaside Shimmer as well as Sun Chaser were gonna be my favorite. Well, this one is more of an olive undertone and this one's more of an orangey. So the orangey is gonna be Seaside Shimmer, and then this one is Sun Chaser. So Sun Chaser is on top and Seaside Shimmer on the bottom. Why don't we use the lighter one first to really bronze the whole face and then use a darker one to do more of a contour? I've been loving this brush for creams. This is the Laura Lee Los Angeles L34 and it's like the perfect size. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this just to bronze all over. It might be a little too light, but I think it's gonna give us more of like a natural bronze, but see how it is buildable. I mean, I'm assuming it's like the exact same formula as their Luminous blushes, which I adore actually. Maybe I should apply those today as well. I do want to test it out on top of powder as well though, because I know some people do like to powder first, then apply like their bronzer, and the other putty products, even the non-luminous ones, do work well over powder because it is like a cream to powder gel formula. So we can try it out both ways, but so far this is looking really, really pretty. As you can see, it's giving such a beautiful dewy finish. So I'm gonna put this one away and then maybe use a more defining brush to do a little bit of like contouring, bronzing. I use the Laura Lee Los Angeles L31 and we're gonna use the darker one. Again, this is Sun Chaser. And I'm just gonna deepen out the bronze strategically to do a little bit of like bronzer. Why not? See how that's like making it more defined without adding like too much darkness all over the face. Love that. And so far guys, it is exactly what I thought. They look stunning. Look at the glow. I love it. So far this looks amazing. I really am loving it. And like I mentioned, I really do like the shades. I'm gonna go ahead and apply. Should we apply a little bit of the blush? So I'm gonna do the Luminous Putty blush in the shade St. Bart's. The reason why I love when products apply over powder is because this looks really pretty, but I do tend to powder my face and so it'll fade a little bit. But these blushes you can add right on top just to seal the deal and it looks bomb. I love it. So beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some concealer, powder, and I'll be right back and we can see how it all looks. Okay guys, I'm back. All I did was apply concealer and I did apply this LYS little powder because this is like a non-drying powder. I lightly dusted the face. As you can see, obviously, you know, it looks a little bit more subtle, which happens with like every cream product, but I feel like the glow is still shining through. So like I mentioned, I wanted to just do a quick little touch up. I don't want to apply any other like powder bronzer for the sake of the video. So I'm going to go in with the shade Seaside Summer, and with that same brush that I've been using, I'm just going to go ahead and tap it on where I want to look bronzy. I think the trick with putting cream over powder is just to tap it on so it doesn't disturb. Like, try not to buff too much. And then I'm also gonna do the exact same thing with the blush, again, just to make it a little bit more noticeable. See how that worked out perfectly? Again, I had already powdered my face and it just looks bomb. So I definitely give these bronzers the approval. If you enjoy the Luminous Putty blushes, this is the exact same thing and just bronzer shades, and it looks stunning, and they actually wear really well throughout the day. So I kind of forgot to talk about this product. This one's not like the newest, but let me just tell you guys something. You guys have heard me talk a lot about the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Lip Mask. It's literally my favorite, but I don't think they do Jelly Pop anymore. I don't know why e.l.f. did that. I feel like everybody loves the Jelly Pop collection. The lip mask itself, this is my last one. I'm pretty much almost done with it. It has just like the best consistency. It's almost like a jelly, but it's obviously not sticky, and it just looks stunning on the lips. I think they came out with a version of it, so I wanted to test it out with you guys because I know everybody loves this. So this is the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Lip Mask. I know it's hard to see, but I will show you guys because it looks very similar, and the other one also came with a little paddle. So it is $7, which I believe is the same as the Jelly Pop one, and it's described as a hydrating lip mask infused with skin-loving ingredients to give you softer, smoother pout. It is a leave-on formula with intense hydration to soothe lips, non-greasy, non-sticky finish, like I mentioned. Can be worn with other lip products or overnight. Ooh, fresh berry scent. Okay. It does have hyaluronic acid, squalene, and castor seed oil. Okay. So let me take off the lip balm that I already have. So pretty. Not much of a smell. It definitely smells a little like grape. Like a little like grape. And I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. So with the little spatula, honestly guys, a little bit goes such a long way. So I'm gonna grab this one. Oh, I kind of want to do it with my fingers so I can feel it. Oh yeah, this feels the exact same. Oh, yes. I don't know if it's just my imagination, but it feels cooling. Is it supposed to feel cooling? You see how like my lips just look so dang healthy and like glossy? This is the kind of formula that reminds me a lot of the Pixie Lip Glow that I was talking about in my favorites video, as well as the Laneige Lip Glowy Balm. This is almost like a lighter weight version, more gel-like version of the pots, and this is kind of what it feels like. This is my favorite type of lip balm. It is so nice, and it's thick, but it doesn't feel heavy, and it's not sticky. It's literally the best. So far, in my eyes, this is the exact same as this one. Obviously, the scent and the color is different, but like the color is not really a big deal. Like it's pretty much translucent. So 2 thumbs up for this. So the last product is actually, I think, one of the most exciting ones. It's a brand new mascara from e.l.f. that I think is actually supposed to be a dupe for a very, very popular Holy Grail mascara. So I'm gonna finish off my makeup. I'm gonna finish off the eyebrows, add the tiniest bit of bronzer to the lids, and we'll apply the mascara. Alrighty guys, I am back. And as you guys can see, we're looking so glowy. If you're wondering what the lip combo is, I decided to stick to the e.l.f. theme, and I put the Ride or Die lip balm in Tough Cookie all over, and a little bit of the same one in Boss Berry in the middle to add a little bit of pink, and I absolutely love it. So let's go ahead and do the eyelashes. I will say my favorite mascara from e.l.f. it's the Big Mood. This is like a really nice volumizing mascara. And after that, I don't really love many more of them, so I just hope that I love this one. So this is called the Lash and Roll Mascara. It is only $6, and it is described as a mega curling mascara with a unique double-sided curved silicone brush to lift and separate the lashes for an eye-opening effect. It's supposed to give your lashes maximum curl and lift. It's supposed to separate, and it's supposed to be smudge and flake-free resistant and vegan and cruelty-free. I am gonna curl my lashes because I like to test out mascara always just the same way to give them a fair chance. Like the disclaimer that I always give you guys, I do have fairly long lashes, so I will let you guys know, like in my opinion, if my lashes are looking like as good as they should. So this is the Kevyn Aucoin eyelash curler. I think the best way to compare is just really do one eye at a time so you can see how it compares to like nothing. So I am gonna do one coat first so we can see, and then at the end I'll do the second coat. Okay, so that is one coat. As you guys can see, it did exactly what it said. It's like helping my lashes curl even more. It did add the product with the shorter bristles really nice, and then the other side really did separate, and so far it's very lengthening. I'm not seeing a lot of volume, but usually I feel like after the second coat we get the most volume, but so far I'm actually very impressed. So let me let this dry for a second, add another coat to the top and lower lashes, and we can compare. Wow, okay, so that is the second coat. It definitely did add some more oomph. I think the difference is astonishing, to be honest. I think it looks very, very beautiful. I'm gonna be honest, I'm very extra with my mascara, so I think I would go in with a little bit more mascara just for more volume. So before I do that, let me do the other eye, and then I kind of wanna keep it in the e.l.f. family and add more just to show you guys how you can amp it up. But let me do the other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I did add a little bit of inner corner highlight. You guys already know e.l.f. Perfect Pearl. This video is not sponsored, by the way, but you guys, I think overall this is a great mascara. I think everything that it claims to do, it does. Like I mentioned, for me, I would want more volume, but guys, like all the claims, like they came through. This is officially like my favorite e.l.f. mascara. I do think it probably is as good as the high-end version. We can test that out together in a different video, but this is a big win. At this point, every product that I tried out is a big win today. That's why I love e.l.f. Big Mood from e.l.f. is like a huge wand, and it's like perfect for volume. And I love applying a mascara like the one I just did to really give like length and separation. And then I'll go in with a mascara like this to just add some like extra volume. And it's just my favorite way to kind of like pair up mascaras together. But again, the mascara was definitely nice by itself. I know I'm getting a little spidery, but like, it's just who I am, okay? Alrighty guys, and this is the final result. I am so impressed. I mean, to be honest, my standard of e.l.f. is already right here, so honestly, I knew that I wasn't going to be disappointed. Like I mentioned, I'm not sponsored. Like e.l.f. is just that girl. Everything I tried out today, I think is amazing. As you guys can see, I'm glowy, I'm dewy. This makeup is going to grip on this foundation. Everything just looks so good. Obviously, I don't know how this mascara is going to wear, but I'll just wear this for the rest of the day and give you guys like a nighttime clip of how it looks to see if it's smudged or anything. But overall, first impressions, this all looks amazing. I will link everything down below per usual, and that way you guys can shop it very easily. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.